In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Ionos in about 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your website, managing databases, or simply looking to store some files online, Ionos offers a straightforward platform to accommodate your needs. I'll walk you through each step of the process so you can follow along with ease. Firstly, let's begin by navigating to the Ionos homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Ionos website URL, or simply search for Ionos in your search engine, and it should be one of the first results you see. When you've arrived at the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and services offered by Ionos. Don't be overwhelmed by the choices. Your first task is simply to find and click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Once you click Sign In, a new page will open prompting you to enter your credentials. But before we get to typing in passwords, look for the option labelled Customer Account and click on it. This will direct you to another sign-in screen specifically designed for Ionos customers to access their accounts. Here you'll provide the email address associated with your Ionos account. Once you've input your email, proceed by clicking on the Next button. After your email, the next step is to enter your password. It's crucial to ensure that your password is entered correctly to avoid any error messages or access issues. Once you're confident that you've input the correct password, click on Next to move forward. Following your successful sign-in, you'll be directed to your Ionos dashboard. This is where you can manage all your Ionos services and products. To upload files, you'll need to access your hosting package, so look for the hosting section on your dashboard. Upon finding it, click on it to proceed to the next step. In the hosting section, you'll find options related to your web hosting package. Locate the option that says Use WebSpace for the hosting package you wish to manage or upload files to. Clicking on Use WebSpace will take you to the WebSpace Explorer, Ionos's file management interface. Inside the WebSpace Explorer, you'll notice various file management features. To upload files, look for an Upload button, which should be clearly visible and easy to find. By clicking on it, you initiate the process to add new files to your WebSpace. Now you'll need to select the specific files you wish to upload. Click on the Select Files option, which will open a dialog box, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate through your directories until you find the files you're looking to upload. Once you've selected one or multiple files, you're ready to move on to the actual uploading part. With your files selected, the final step is to confirm the upload. Look for an Upload button, usually located near the file selection area. Clicking on this button will commence the file transfer process from your computer to your Ionos webspace. Depending on the size and number of files you're uploading, this may take a moment. I recommend monitoring the upload progress to ensure everything is transferring correctly. And there you have it. Once the upload bar reaches 100%, your files will have successfully been uploaded to your Ionos hosting. You can now manage these files directly from the WebSpace Explorer or proceed to utilize them for your website, application, or any other project hosted with Ionos. Remember, managing your web files is a critical aspect of maintaining a healthy and updated online presence. Whether it's adding new content, updating existing files, or simply organizing your storage, familiarity with your hosting provider's file management system empowers you to take full control of your web projects. That's everything you need to know about uploading files to your Ionos hosting account. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.